Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this kayak review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Kayak, a comprehensive travel platform review. Kayak is a versatile travel search engine perfect for travelers looking to compare and snag the best deals on flights, hotels, rental cars, and vacation packages. Its user-friendly interface and powerful tools cater to everyone, from budget-conscious travelers to those seeking luxury travel experiences. One of Kayak's most valuable features is its comprehensive price comparison tool. It pulls data from hundreds of travel sites, ensuring you see the best available options. The platform's price alert feature lets you track fare fluctuations and book when prices dip, making it perfect for advanced trip planning. For those with a more spontaneous travel style, Kayak's Explore tool helps discover destinations based on your budget, preferred travel dates, or general interests. Navigating Kayak's search results is straightforward thanks to its transparent layout and filters for price, layovers, amenities, and customer reviews. The price forecast feature, which leverages historical data to predict price trends, is incredibly helpful for determining the optimal booking time. Kayak also integrates flexible booking options, allowing you to easily find itineraries with free cancellations or changeable options. The Kayak mobile app elevates the travel experience even further. It provides exclusive app-only deals, real-time travel alerts, and centralized booking management. The app also includes helpful tools like a flight tracker and packing checklist, making it an indispensable resource for travelers on the go. Kayak is designed for everyone, from solo adventurers to families planning complex multi-stop vacations. The trip management tool is a particularly useful feature, organizing all your travel details in one convenient location. In summary, Kayak is an all-in-one travel platform that combines powerful search capabilities, flexible booking options, and exclusive deals. Whether you're a meticulous planner or a last-minute booker, Kayak streamlines the travel process. Click the links in the description to explore Kayak and discover the best deals for your upcoming trip.